Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. A sphere and a right circular cylinder have the same radius. If the volume of the sphere is 4 times of the volume of the cylinder, what is the ratio of the height of the cylinder to its radius? Now let radius of sphere and cylinder be equal to r. We know volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h, where h is height. So this is going to be pi r square h cubic units. Therefore, volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cubic units. Now it is given that volume of sphere is 4 times that of cylinder. Therefore, we can say 4 times pi r square h, or we can say 4 times volume of cylinder is volume of sphere. This is given. Therefore, 4 times pi r square h equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have to find the ratio of height to cylinder. So let's first find the height. So let's see, h divided by r. Instead of finding height first and then finding ratio, we can directly get the ratio by taking one of the r over to left side and taking all the other terms on left side over here. So we get 4 by 3 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 pi r square divided by 3 into 4 pi r square. These two get cancelled out and we are left with 1 by 3. So we get ratio of height of the cylinder to its radius as 1 by 3. So h is to r is equal to 1 is to 3. This is the answer.